What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good weekend. It's Friday, 1:30 in the morning, Wyoming time. Gary, I got your switches replaced. New fan. I don't know if that got busted in shipping or something bounced around in your truck and hit it, but popped her out. But anyway, got your lighted fans or lighted switches in there. I de-dusted it. It was pretty dirty. But anyway, we're going to run it 14.5, 5-watt slug in reverse. We're using a striker. Yeah, keying about 3 watts. Audio test 88 watts. Audio peak, about 30 average. 5-watt slug. Input tune or pass through tune. Audio test. Barely move. Doesn't even move. Audio. Turn your box on. Input tune. Audio. About a quarter of a watt. Show you output. Audio test. 1 2 1 2. Audio. Right at 900 peak. Alright, Gary, I'll get her boxed up for you. Like I said, this one here, because it's your sideband delay, will not light, but this one here will indicate when it's on. Anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate the business. I'll get her boxed up, Gary.